Hi everybody! Today we're going to make pan de coco and pan de ube, pan de dates, and what is it? But before we proceed, can you please click the subscribe button? And if you want to see more videos, click the notification bell.
And then you have to punch the air out. See? Punch. See? The air is out.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Okay, now that's it. Ay, water siya masyado. Go and get the flour, Julian. Okay na, go and get the flour.
Okay, ready on. It smells like not bad. It smells like mommy. It smells like the Raffaello.
Yeah, it's Raffaello, Julian. You want like this. Not too wet, not too dry. Hindi lahat. Ang vanilla laging optional lang. Ako muna na, and then I'll give it to you. Pag okay. Yay! O, Buboy, ikaw daw, bebe. O.
Say hello. Everybody. My mom's going to teach me how to make pan de coco. And it's my Uncle Ryan's favorite. It's also my Lola Nilo Tadea's favorite. We're rolling the doughs into circles. I don't know how pan de coco looks like, but I feel like that it looks like a hot croissant. Or is it like that? The dumplings. So now we're going to get the rolling pin and we're going to flatten them.
Ako muna. Then I'll show.
Oh, this is down there.
Parang mag-iwan. Ah! Not yet, boy!
Alisin mo. Ah.
Ako muna.
So we will try to add some dates. Because we're in the Middle East, we're gonna add some dates.
Bounce! Bakit man yung binounce-bounce mo, boy? You can add fresh dates, o di kaya these dates. Ay, not too much, anak, oh. We'll be generous with the, ano.
Is it almost like a dumpling?
Yeah. See, it's a lot. Let's try. Ay, boy! Daddy! What? Not that one, boy. Okay. This. So this one. Then, roll it. I saw this one. Just roll it.
Hey! is how empanada chocolate.
Coco.
Oh, what is the dates?
Wow!
I'm like,
Test. Oh, it's very soft. Like very
and
soft.
it's so hot.
Mm,
Wow.
like ube.
I opened it so fast.
It's okay.
Oh, it has the coconut in it. It's really good. I like it, Mommy.
Good. I will make you put it sa ano.
Huzzah!
Sa ano na. Okay na lang. Ah! Jeremiah, how is it, boy?
Approve?
Approve?
Good.
Hmm? How is it? Yummy? Mm-hmm. 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 Good? Yeah. Approve! Yeah!
Wow.
Okay.
Sarap.
Oh, approve? Ligil.
So this is the finished product. So we call it Panda Choco. And here's the chocolate inside.
Taste it.
It's so good. So yummy. Okay.
This one she
And
made.
it was actually really fun. And this is what I made.
Mhm.
So that's it. And if don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, click the notification bell. And that's it. Bye. This is so
Kaya yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Try to separate the way you open it. No, that's okay. You're a bit weird.
So that's why
Sayang, lalo na yung suka ng